So suppose you registered your business with the CAC as a business name. After watching this short video, you may want to consider upgrading that business name to a limited liability company instead. And if you're here to register your own business, then this will be a good instructional video that you want to see. So first, apart from the many other differences between a business name and a limited company that I've explained in this article on your screen, I will leave the article link in the video description. The biggest reason why you want to either upgrade your business name to a limited liability company or register a fresh business as an LTD company is because of the word tax. So when this administration came into power, we all knew that the president is a very tax-centric leader, which is not really a bad thing, especially if those taxes are channeled to the right use. But what we did not know was how the administration planned to press everybody's neck to ensure that nobody escaped tax again in Nigeria. So if you are following the news, you already know by now that the federal government have successfully achieved that aim. And if you think that you will be able to dodge tax like we used to do before, better think again. From January 2026, everything you do as long as you live in Nigeria will be tied to your tax ID, either your personal TIN or the business TIN. So if you don't have your TIN already, you had better get it as soon as possible before the usual rush and long queues begin. Remember that the government achieved it with NIN and BVN. So if you're still doubting the tax ID or TIN as a means of monitoring our movement in Nigeria, you better think again. By the way, we can help you get your business TIN and other business services like upgrading your business name to a limited company or any type of CAC registration, your SCOMEL, export license, and so on. My WhatsApp chat line will be in the video description. So if you have a business registered as a business name and you're making a profit of at least 67,000 naira every month or more, of course, then business name is not for you. If you register your business as a business name and you are earning that amount of money or more, you will be paying at least 15% of your profit as tax, depending on how much you're making. But if that same business earning about 67k or more is registered as a limited liability company, then you will not pay any tax at all until you start earning at least about 8 million naira or thereabout every month. So you can see the reason why limited liability companies are technically exempted or covered from paying tax, especially the small companies. But if your own small business is earning from 65,000 naira and below, then it's fine. You can still leave your business name, the way it is, or register your business as a business name. I actually did a more in-depth breakdown in this very video right here. I highly recommend you watch it right now. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. And if you have any question for me, let me see it in the comment section.